I love the Squid Games. The Squid Games are my favorite. I am so ready to play the Squid Games. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, he died. Right.
I made it.
Yay! We made it together.
Oh my goodness, we made it together. We beat the Squid Games. We beat the Squid Games. Oh my goodness, we beat the Squid Games.
Oh my goodness, can I get your signature?
Yes, my good man, you can get my signature because we beat the Squid Games. Oh my goodness. We beat the Squid Games.
Peter Griffin! Oh my god! Peter Griffin!
He's definitely not making it.
Oh my god, no one cares! Shut it up!
Are you fucking
You win! Oh,
Are you about to win? Oh, I did it.
I need to stick together. Let's just stick together. No,
Alright.
let anyone else do this.
I think I haven't seen any go above 3, so let's find one more person.
Yeah, it's only 3. Yes.
Peter Griffin, jump if you can hear me. Okay, stick with me. 2.
Never mind,
Peter
never
Griffin.
mind, never mind. Peter Griffin, suck my balls.
Okay, shit.
Right here.
I found someone else. Four. Okay.
4!
Over here. To Peter Griffin. Get out!
what did
Get
you
out!
do?
Get out! Get out!
Get
Get
out!
out!
Get out!
Get out now! Get out! Get out!
Right now!
Oh, unlock the door! Get out!
Get out!
Get out! Get out!
Get out!
Go!
You, get out!
Get out!
Right now!
Peter Griffin!
Bye,
No! Peter Griffin!
It's fine. Sorry.
He sacrificed himself for the greater good.
Peter Griffin, I'll never forget you.
You're a bitch. You guys are both bitches. No,
Hey,
we
we
didn't
hate
want you in here.
We hate you. We don't like
We
you.
don't like you anymore.
Peter Griffin! He's still alive! Peter Griffin, yes.
He survived!
4.
Four! Peter Griffin!
Hey, one more
No, we
person!
need one more!
Oh, it's
Get
you.
in!
It's this guy.
It's this guy.
This
Who's
guy.
this guy?
4.
Four!
I found other people.
I found Peter Griffin.
Okay, we're good. Lock the door.
I got four.
I got 4 as well. We did it. Oh, it's lights out. It's lights out.
What does that mean?
We're about to all have a brawl. Get over here, get over here.
Are you over here? I saw Peter Griffin get murdered right in front of my eyes.
No!
I just watched it happen. I walked past and he died.
Oh, Peter Griffin.
Get over here, Eddie! Get over here! This dude right here that I'm following, this is the one that killed Peter Griffin. You're
Hey.
dead, buddy.
Bro, let's go ask Brett.
Alright,
Alright, you
no,
go
you gotta
first.
and swing out.
Whoever
You
killed
have to
Peter
go
Griffin,
first.
you go first.
Pookie, you're going first. Pookie,
Go first. You're going first. You don't have a
You
choice.
have to. There's 2 Pookies.
Okay, both of them
Pookie on
go.
the right. Pookie on
Both of
the
you
right.
pick one. Both of you pick one and jump at the same time. Ha!
Ah! That didn't give her killing Peter Griffin. Other Pookie, go.
Yes! Okay.
Go again. Keep going. No.
Keep going, you got it. I believe in you.
Keep going, Pookie.
I believe in you. You got it. Ha!
Ah!
Okay, 2 more.
Pretty, go. Go, Pretty. Oh yeah, you. I'm not gonna lie, I almost missed the jump.
Me too. Nico, get over here.
Gang up on Pretty. Gang up on Pretty. Gang up on this dude in the corner. You're about to get gangbanged. Danny, help. Big actually got behind me. Oh, get juked! Oh, they're both going for you. I'm just gonna let it happen. No!
Bro, fight each other. Why are you both going for me?
Oh my god, please don't
Chisholm
hit me.
squad, baby. Coming in hot. One of them's cracked.
Oh my. A little bit.
Ow.
I'm not taking any damage.
Oh, he's super low. I knocked him. Help.
Man, I fell off the mountain!
Help!
I fell off the mountain! Bro.
Oh.
Gay bitch.
Let's go to this place. I don't think I've ever been here. Both of them are on me.
Alright, on my way.
Knocked one.
I'm on my way.
Oh god, you fuck. Where are you? You're on the
where
fucking
you-
side of the map.
I got it. I got it. Oh, I farted. Ow! I hurt my ears. I did it.
Hello, Madoriak. Get over here.
Dead. His name is Keyboard Building. No,
Maxwell.
Keyboard King.
These are all bots. There's no way.
Yeah. 'Cause it's Fortnite.
I thought, OG didn't have bots.
Nah, they changed that a while ago. And I'm pushing another team. All by myself.
These guys are definitely all bots. I've knocked 2 of them.
Yeah, then they're definitely bots.
If I kill them, they're definitely bots. Hit 105. There's just so many though. There's so many of them. Kill 3 of them just for the squad wipe right here. Bye bye, Mother Yak.
Bro, how do I have 2? I've been running around looking for people the entire game without you guys.
I have 8. Well, you should have been here. There was 400 people here.
I just left retail and he's killing people.
Yeah, people in retail. They might be real, actually. Yep, Rotnick's dead. Oh, not good.
Knocked one. Another one's 1 HP.
On me. He's low. Got him. Is there like any heals at all besides bandages?
There's some bandages.
Oh, thanks. Oh, behind.
Behind us?
Yeah, where I marked. Alright, come help us over here. Knocked one. Sliding off. Oh, there's one left. Nice.
Bitch. Swear, if I get headshot sniped, I'm killing myself.